In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily hand off designs in REM or EM units using Figma. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that makes it easier for you and your team to work together on design projects. So whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, let's walk through how you can efficiently manage design handoffs using this tool. First things first, head over to the Figma website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can simply type figma.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once you're there, it's time to get logged in. Look for the login button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you're working with a team, make sure to select the appropriate workspace once logged in. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage all of your projects, design files, and team collaborations. From here, navigate to the design section. If you're familiar with Figma, you probably know that this is where the magic happens, the place where your ideas take shape and come to life. Now that you're in the design space, look at the top of the interface for a button or option labeled Action. Clicking on Action will open up a drop-down or a panel where you can execute various additional tools and plugins that Figma offers to enhance your design workflow. In this case, what we want to do is search for a particular tool called REM. The search bar is pretty handy for speeding up this process. Just type REM into the search field, and among the results you should see something called REM to PX converter. The REM to PX converter is essential for easily translating your design measurements into REM or EM units. Why might you want to do this, you ask? Well, using REMs or EMs rather than pixels allows your designs to be more responsive, making them adaptable to different screen sizes and device settings. This approach is highly beneficial for developers when they are implementing the designs you've crafted. Once you've located the REM to PX converter plugin, give it a click. This action should take you to the Run option, where you can initiate the conversion. Doing so will enable you to implement the unit conversion seamlessly into your design process. By following these steps, you can make your designs more adaptable and developer friendly. Remember, Figma's versatility allows you to integrate various tools and plugins that can optimize your design handoff process. That's it for today. You're now ready to make your design handoffs in REM or EM using Figma. Happy designing!